Everyone in the street or in Nigeria condemned the action of Justice Bintayako and the Nigeria federal government and the government of Tinubu over the case of Mazi Nnamdi. And what is the reason? They say some are saying that Ndi Igbo has been pushed to the wall again in this particular case. That if Tinubu did not find a solution or to release Nnamdi with his power unconditional, that means that they are asking Igbos to go to another war. My people, I'm going to play this video for you to watch. Waiting people waiting for street they talk. Just watch the video.
Nigeria is holding this young man for nothing, and no, it's a shame to an Igbo man. All the Igbo politicians, you were there, they were holding this young man captive for nothing. What has he done? He has no case. If you remember the era of Buhari, when they judged this man, they said, free this man, he has nothing. He has no case to answer Nigeria. Free him and go and settle him. You still hold him up and quash all the whole
count charges against
all the whole count charges against him. You went afresh and bring out another one and say this and that and that. Now the kind has no case against Nigeria. Nigeria was just holding him ransom for nothing. Because he's an Igbo man. The case of Igbo, is Igbo have not set, has he not been set free for long? Igbo man should think. Igbo politicians should think.
Yes, Mazi Nnamdi cited the position of the Constitution, Nigerian Constitution, Section 2, Subsection 3M, said that anyone that wants to try him within Nigerian state after violating his fundamental right of movement through extraordinary rendition should be considered as a terrorist. That no court in Nigeria has the legal right to try him. That he is being persecuted and subjected under hostage.
He's right. Very much right. And they knew this. They knew this. They were just doing that because he's an Igbo man. And Igbo politicians are fools. Thereby leaving Nnamdi there. They are fools. But Nemesis will catch them one after the other. All of them. All the Igbo politicians. Hope Uzodinma, them and the rest of them. Nemesis will catch them one after the other. They know
that this young man is innocent.
This young man is innocent.
But unfortunately, in the same Nigeria, where you have governors who have looted Nigeria to penury, who has killed several people, who has killed Nigeria, who has committed economic terrorism against the people of Nigeria, are walking free on the street of Nigeria. But here comes a man who is innocent because of speaking for the defenseless, who has not done anything, head back.
Speaking for the liberation of the masses. You hold him ransom. You hold him captive because he was telling you the truth. Actually, the truth is very, very bitter. But the earlier we absorb the truth, that is where our liberation will come. Jesus Christ came and told the Jewish people, told the whole world the truth. They said, kill him, kill him. They killed him. And then what happened? All this they are doing to the Igbos is with time. Time will come.
But why this targeted hostility, intimidation against the Igbos?
I don't know. Ask them. I don't know. It is the same God that created us all. But the wisdom of the Igbos is very, very unique. And the blessings of God upon them, maybe they know God more. Or maybe they understand God more. I don't know. Why? Igbo man will come to Yoruba and bought a land and build a house and make that place his own. But upon that, pay the taxes, pay all what he's supposed to be paying. Upon that, you are still against him. You are still against him. Anything he does, Igbo man. If you want to carry any evil art, you started from Igbo man. It's destroying their houses, destroying their businesses, destroying their whatever where they got the source of income. Is not so, is that not so bad? God is even angry against with them. God is angry with them, and He keep blessing Igbo man. I told them earlier, what makes a man is not the accumulation of the wealth the man has, but what is inside the man. Put an Igbo man into the forest, give him a space of years, 2 years, 3 years. When you come, you say, ah, wow. You understand me now?
Would it be as a result of envy and
It is an
jealousy?
envy. It is also only envy. Envy, target. Envy. That Igbo man will just come within a space of time. They will see him progressing. What is the secret? They cannot go and kneel down and ask God, bless me too. It is envy, ordinary envy. Nothing and no, nothing else.
That should be a destructive one for that matter.
And
How can a country move forward? How can a country move forward with such level of hostility and envy?
They move forward, they can't.
Any treaty ratified by Nigeria becomes a law, and Nigeria violating the treaty, of course, he had with the Kenya by extraordinary rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, of course, make them to lose their rights or any privilege, of course, they have to try Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is the position of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. According to the position of the Nigerian law, which he rightly quoted, that any attempt to continue to try him within Nigeria is an act of terrorism. And he supported it, of course, with the provision of the Constitution on matters bordering on terrorism. Your take on this?
What happened today, or the stand of Nnamdi Kanu and his legal team today, I have been expecting it since all these days that gone by. Today is the day they come up with a tangible, concrete decision. All those is Nnamdi Kanu quotes, he was right. He is right. I don't know that he have this type of thing in his mind. But I am feeling now that he allow government of Nigeria, Nigeria judiciary, executive, and the other arms of Nigerian government to do what? To exhaust themselves, to fabricate their lie finish, to dance their dance of shame for the whole world to know them.
My wonderful people, now so we see am for the matter, and now we say more carry am come give una. Please don't hesitate to share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section. A lot of things are going on right now, but Nigeria think it's a normal game. They are government and nothing will happen. But they refuse to learn one thing, that Igbos can fund themselves to any level of intimidation that Nigeria want to bring to us. And that thing they think they are taking from our land, and they can use it to against us. So we will bring it down and fund ourselves to fight them. That is one thing Nigeria government do not know. They have the power and they have the capacity and they can do it. The earlier Nigeria go for peace negotiation, that to put the poor Northerners and the poor Yorubas to this distress is going to be massive. So I'm urging this government to do the needful and stop chasing shadows. If a social media blogger come outside to condemn you people will chase him. Nnamdi Kanu have come outside to make his own opinion known to the public, and you people are also chasing Nnamdi Kanu. Igbos are well-learned people and well-educated people. The Biafrans at large are well-learned and educated people as well. So you can't win this war. That time you never win, now you cannot win. People with nothing hold you hostage for almost 3 good years. If not that the help of British and other Western world that help, even this Russian today that are passing through. So God will punish all the whole people who put hand in genocide of Ndibo, the Biafrans. And another thing, you people should also, Biafra should also recognize the countries that help us during that time. Country like Ivory, Cote d'Ivoire, and country like that's other country that help us. Please remember them and also pray for them for their betterment, because if it is not them, maybe me and you would not be here today speaking for the next freedom. So I wish the Igbos well, I wish the Biafrans well, I wish all the whole good people in Nigeria that want to leave this contraction that white man put us inside. God is going to do it, and all of us is going to get that, but we have to work. God can come down from heaven and do it for us. Guys, share this video and follow this channel for more updates.